Damn it.
Oh my god, there's no way.
I'm fucked.
They shooting at you at the
Let's
same
undo
time.
that.
like they did me.
Thank you. This very too.
Oh, they put you.
I'm dead.
I can run a baseball bat and a
What
pistol.
the fuck is you shooting that ab?
Yo, how did
No,
you
it's
hit me?
because they're.
Shit.
There we go.
Bitch.
Good
Oh.
shit.
That bullfrog be smacking.
That's the fuck I'm
It
talking
did.
about.
I love
Look at
it.
this.
I'm gonna need 1 second, y'all.
Go ahead.
Hey peeps, what's going on? What's going on, everybody? We're gonna be doing a little Dixper tutorial. Right on the screen, that's me right there. See me? That's me. So in the chat, we're gonna do exclamation point, what up? And that will show you what we do in tonight's stream. And then what I'm hovering over is the Dixper link with .gg/purplepassion21. And then right here, it brings up the welcome screen. Purple Passion's profile, and then all you would do is hit let's begin. And now this is what the beginning page looks like. You will have to see right there in the right upper hand corner that you have to sign in. But once you sign in, you can click right here on this purple bar where you get free skills with your Twitch subscription, and that can be to anyone or me. It doesn't matter, whoever you're subscribed to. So we're just gonna click on it, and you can see that I already redeemed the free skills. But that's the one that you would click to get the skills. Over here on the left hand side is all the skills. Now to be able to get these skills, you have to click the button right here that says buy skills. So I bought the crates off of the screen so you couldn't see any of my information, but there you go. Once you buy them, this thing pops up. You can open 1 crate or you can open 10 crates. It's up to you. You just hit 1 and then it looks like this. It's looting. And it randomly selects stuff for you. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the rest of the crates. Looting. And like I said, they randomly pick skills for you. The cool thing about Dixper, though, is that you can craft crates yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do these custom crates. So what you do is you're going to pick a skill that you don't like. For example, right here, you're going to hit disenchant. After you hit disenchant, you're going to hit select all or however many that you have that you want to use. And then right there, you're going to hit disenchant. And then it's going to give you some points that you can use down the road. So to do so, you're just going to click on the one that you want to craft. For example, aim down sight is probably one of the best ones. You'll hit craft, select all, and then craft again. And then you'll see that it reduces your energy for crafting. So this way for crafting is probably, to me, the easiest way to launch a skill. So you're just going to find the skill that you would like to use the most. You're going to make sure that you're not on craft, you're on disenchant. And then you're going to hit add skill to launch. And that will put it in this little bar. So now that we know how to get the skills into the bar, we're going to pick 2 other ones to go into this bar. My favorite are probably the aim down sight, which is the first one we have. Then the swap mouse button. And then I guess we'll just do walking dizzy. And then we'll put that in the last slot. And then just so if you didn't know that you can hit start broadcast and you can see me play the game and see when the skill goes off. And now that we have me, on full volume, let's see what happens. And we're going to hit launch skills. Now let's watch and see what the first one is. And the first skill is going to make me waste my ammo. It's my favorite one. Yay. All my ammo, bye-bye. And this right here makes a lot of noise. And I'm also walking dizzy. That's why I'm going in like a circle. Yeah, so if you're ever wondering why my bullets are just going crazy, this is why. And then I die because it made me aim down sight. Yay.
Just activated the zoom in mode and it fucking zoomed right into the fucking... More makeup!
And last thing before I show you some amazing clutch up shit at the end of this video, you can gift crates to people by hitting buy scales. You can get 1, 4, or 10. We usually do 10. And then you're going to go to the left corner where it says purchase as a gift. Hit that on. And then you can search a user or names will pop up. There are people that are already have Dixper. And then you just gift it to them. And then that's pretty much it, peeps. There's my Dixper tutorial. I hope you understand what's going on, and let's watch this clutch up.
Huh? You from where? Oh, Jesus.
Where the fuck are they? They're in the storm.
Down me.
I backed up, Mary, so you're by yourself.
Yeah, I know. I was just.
Oh.
I'm sorry. I was just trying to outsmart him. One in front, the other one stay behind. Because he had a PDS. He had the same idea I had.
Right in front of me. He's.
Oh, another one?
Yeah, one more. That's the
Let's
last
fucking
one.
go. Get off of me.
GG,
Let's go!
Let's go, girl. Let's go. Let's go.